Hello, friends. Here I am doing this session for students, colleagues also, who want to do e-filing because e-filing is introduced recently for civil cases. So I'm making an attempt to screen share the e-filing process of civil cases. So first, let us go to Google and I'll just simply click on search for e-filing portal. You will get the list. So you can click on the e-filing services for online filing of cases, plaints, written statements, all those things. You can click on that one. It will take you to e-court India services that for e-filing portal. So here you have to click on e-filing services. It will take you to e-filing portal. Here already I have registered myself with eSeva in all courts available, where you have to register yourself for filing this, availing this facility. You have to provide your COP certificate number, PAN card, Aadhaar card. They will register your um, for this e-filing. You get a username and password. Then you can start e-filing. Okay, you can avail these services from any e-seva in the courts. So once you are in this site, you have to select the state. Okay, you have to select the state. I am taking Telangana. Then username, password already have saved them, so it is appearing there. Enter captcha here. So there are some bugs. Sometimes even if you haven't logged out or logged out earlier, also it will show not yet logged out. You can go to that place and click again log out, and you can log in from there also. So here captcha I am entering and attempting to log in. Okay, I got invalid captcha error. So here, instead of invalid captcha, sometimes you get already logged in. You can click there itself here, but I'm entering other captcha, new captcha here. So, so you should be careful. Capital, you have to choose as capital. Small letters, you choose as capital letters only. Then login. It is successfully logged in. This is the dashboard. Draft pleadings, completed pleadings, draft IAS, completed IAS, objections, my cases, all those things, my partners, case filing, wakalat, everything will be visible to you in this dashboard. So since we are doing new case filing for civil case, we'll go to civil case filing only. Here, third option in the top corner is filing services, my partners. Next is case filing. You have to choose that option for new case filing. You get, once you click on that new case filing, so you can go to a new case filing. Here you have to select district. Only Hyderabad is visible as of now. I cannot see any other districts. So once you select Hyderabad, you get list of all courts in Hyderabad. Okay. So I tried for Rangareddy, nothing is visible. Only Hyderabad is coming. So select court establishment. Choose it carefully because the court you select, only they can see your file after you submitted. So I'll select Junior Civil Court Secunderabad. So if I'm choosing Junior Civil Courts and I submit this file online, only section people of Junior Civil Court who are having access for this e-filing, they can see this one. They will verify physical documents with online documents and number the case. Okay, that is the process. So you should be very careful to choose based on jurisdiction, all those things. Choose the court. You can choose family court depending on the case type also. So you have to, I'll choose Junior Civil Courts here. Then since as of now we are only doing civil cases, criminal cases are not made online. So since it is Junior Civil Court, I'll opt OS, original suits. So if it is some other case, injunction, whatever it is, you can choose accordingly. So I'm filing for original suit. I'm choosing original suit here. Case type is also I'm choosing as OS. Okay. Then I had to give the plaintiff name, give complete plaintiff name, whatever name, just for purpose. I'm taking it as Rajesh. I'm taking a mobile number, some random number. Okay. So they are not genuine, just taking a random name. So his details are entered. Plaintiff detail Rajesh has come here, but we have to give more details. Only details with asterisk mark or star mark are mandatory. Other things are your option. So I just age is mandatory. So I am giving age, and address is mandatory. Give complete address. Here I am giving only Hyderabad. Just I don't want, because you can type complete address in your regular filings. Okay, state, district, all those things are not mandatory. Update it. Then you can close this one. Then you have to go to defendant, highlight on defendant, choose his name, whatever it is. Okay, I'm choosing as Raju. Age is not mandatory. Only address is mandatory. So I'll type only address here. Pin code, all those things are not mandatory. If you want, you can give. Okay, I have typed that one. Save it. Okay, save this thing. Okay, now you can see two parties are added. View previous main petitioner, respondent. Two are there. Plaintiff and defendant both are there here. So once you are here, you have to click on next. So next it takes to fact details. Fact details tab here, you can see red in red color, not mandatory, not compulsory. So again, you can click on next, because this is not mandatory fact details. So in future, they make it compulsory, then we need to enter. As of now, not compulsory. So we'll go to next screen. It is case details. Here you have to, star mark is there for cause of action. It is mandatory. Copy from your plaint itself. Don't type here. Just I am typing it cause of action. Just copy paste from your plaint copy cause of action. Date of cause of action also you have to enter. Enter it from there. Prayer, it is not mandatory. If you want, you can copy paste the prayer as it is from your plaint itself. Give some suit valuation 1 lakh, because for court fee it is required. Okay. Then here again I am saving it. Click on save. Okay, here you have to add act, which act you have to filing this case. So I am taking specific relief act. Give the section, because in the plaint itself you will mention under which section and which act you are filing. If you are having more acts, you can click on green button below that one. You can add more acts. Then save it. So here, once you save it, it will go to the next screen. So record added successfully. Junior Court Secunderabad, Rajesh versus Raju. E-file case, click on e-file case. So here, once you click on e-file case, it will be submitted completely. You can see here in the top one number, case number Raju versus Rajesh versus Raju, 1/2/2026. Today I have entered. So today is 1st February. So the case ATS number, whatever is there, it is completely mentioned there. Okay. So from here, you can see previous files also here. Okay, from here, you have to enter your pleadings. Upload your pleadings. So you have to click on new case here. When you click on new case, because it is a new case, other things are not working. Such my case, all those things are not working. So only new case is working. Select this Rajesh versus Raju. Already it is a new case. Click on that one. Then I recommend you to scan your documents properly using a professional scanner. Don't use mobile phone for scanning. It gives some problems, issues like data size, file size. Maximum size is 20 MB only. So it may give some challenges. So accordingly, sort it out. So for Wakalat scan, I kept it as Wakalat only in my desktop where it is saved. So all the scan documents are saved. I'm choosing from the list Wakalat where I have saved, and I choose the same name and click on add file. So Wakalat is added. Now I had to add plaint, list of documents and process. I'll use the same process, give the name of the file. Then from the saved list of scanned place, I will choose plaint and affidavit. Then add file. So whatever you do in regular filing, you have to keep those scanned files completely in the desktop or wherever any pen drive. From there, you can choose that files and upload it here. You can keep on adding any number of files. Okay, here I'm uploading list of documents, add file, then process. So it is the complete plain how we submit in the code. You have to scan complete set, including process, and submit it in the code physically also along with the, I will show you the next step. So process is also done. See here, applications tab you can see on the top, but application tab is not working. So I am filing IAS also here itself. So already I have scanned IAs. So IA and IA affidavit, adding files. Okay. Then IA process also I am adding here only. IA applications tab is there, but it is not working. So we are adding all those things at one time only. So all these files are added. Okay, uploaded. Now, see here you can see the list of all the documents. I had to click on submit. Okay, once I click on submit, it will take us to next screen. Okay, addition successful. Here you can see all the files, wakalat, plain, list of documents, process, IA process, all the things I have uploaded, it appears in the next screen. Okay, now I had to merge the files. I am merging it separately for plain, and other thing is one file. IA and IA process, I am using it separately. So I have chosen these 4 files and clicked on merge files. Once you click on merge files, you get this option. Here you can toggle up and down the files. You can place it in the order. You can do that one. You can see the document, those scanned documents. You can it is displayed here. Give the document file name. Enter file document title. Here you have to enter some name. I am using as Rajesh Plaint only because it is Rajesh Plaint. So click on merge files. So merging documents will create a separate file. All previous documents will disappear. You can see only once it is merged, close that window. Rajesh Plaint. All other files have gone. Only Rajesh Plaint is remaining here. Then I'll do the same process for IA. Click on 2 buttons, then merge files on the top green button. Then you'll go to this next screen. Just merge it. So you can see the documents also what you have scanned. You give the name of that file, IA, whatever name you want to give for your convenience. Okay. Merge completed, close the windows, both windows. Okay. Now you can see only 2 files, Rajesh Plaint and IA. Only 2 things are there. Okay, nothing more. Now from here, so this process is over, scanning, uploading is over. Now only one thing is pending. You, if you have to pay money, you can go to e-payment and you can pay online. But here I have paid physically through regular bank process only because I was not comfortable with doing e-payments. So I haven't done e-payment. So you can do based on the value you can pay. You choose e-payments and bank pay to the bank. So that will be appearing in draft pleadings. That uploaded one. You click on draft pleadings. This new window will open. Here you can see e-filed case, Rajesh versus Raju. Click on submit. Okay, just click on submit. You have not selected GRN, nothing will happen. Okay, it is submitted. Case is filed. This process is over. Okay, you can see draft pleadings. It is showing, as I told, it is bugs. It should come under completed pleadings. You have to refresh to show it under completed pleadings. And anyhow, I'll click on completed pleadings. You can see here. Click on acknowledgement in the first number. You have to take the printout of that acknowledgement, submit along with the physical copy so that they will have a reference that you have filed this case so and so. You can save that acknowledgement also for your future record. So I clicked on acknowledgement. You can see you get similar to this one. E-filing Rajesh versus whatever it is, entire details you will get, numbers. So 2 files are there. One is a plain and other is IA. You can see there. File it. Okay, this is a complete process. Thank you very much. I hope you understood this one. So please comment or subscribe my channel. That is my request. Okay. So the entire process is very easy. You can comfortably file it. Okay. So there is no complication. Only thing is all tabs are not working. Okay, my partners, you can add your colleagues, anybody who are to join you in the plane. Okay, so wakalat is there, pleadings are there, e-payments are there. Those are all not working properly. Still some tabs to be updated. As of now, this is the thing. Okay, thank you. I hope you enjoyed this session.